This is our world. We are SharkGaming, the leading Nordic brand when it comes to fully customizable gaming computers and gaming gear. Over the course of more than 10 years, we've built around 100,000 computers to both private customers, companies, and esports organizations. With an in-house production, support division, and a service department to handle upgrades and repairs, we've always been on top of customer needs. All computers are assembled from scratch and will be delivered with whichever design and hardware that matches the customer. Today, we build and deliver a customized gaming computer in 3 workdays, and there is no minimum order requirement. We also offer all relevant products for the full gaming setup, including headset, mouse, keyboard, gaming chair, laptops, and monitors. Amongst the professional esports organizations, we have a strong reputation as a trustworthy provider of quality gear and computers, which is why the list of professional teams with SharkGaming gear or computers keep growing. Our mission is to keep providing better services, better gaming experiences, and better products for the gamer. We're a company run by gamers, so we know our target group, because every single one within our 3,000 square meter office is one. We don't sell gaming gear or hardware we don't want to use ourselves. We are gamers. We are SharkGaming.